In this new update, this update is just like viewpoints. This one, when you earn 150 points, that will be 7 euro. So, but this particular app is not available for Nigeria, and for you to download this app on your Play Store, you need to change your Play Store to UK Play Store. So to do that, just follow this step. The first thing that we need to do, we need to on our VPN or our proxy. You just have to put it in UK location. Once you do that, you go straight to your let me on my proxy or VPN, anyone you have. So now I've on my proxy or VPN, so I've got to direct to my email. So we are going to create another email using that pro UK proxy or UK VPN. So we are going to click on add account, Google. So that means that this Gmail that you want to create is actually going to be on UK, you understand? So we are just going to click on create account for personal use. Then I'll just put a random name. Just put a random name. You can actually put your name. It's not necessary that you put foreign name. You can put your name. Then put your date of birth. Just pick any name. So now they give us suggestion. Should we go with the suggestion? Let me just create my own. Can go with the suggestion. Then once it's good, you put your password. So let it load. So I'm done creating the account. While your VPN is still on, just come to this your profile. Then I'm going to change it to the new account I just created. Click on the draw down, then scroll down. I have many accounts here. Yes, this last one is the UK email I just created. If you look down here, you will see that I'm coming. Got it. This is just like a new Play Store. If you look down here, you see this is not how Nigeria Play Store is. You cannot find this book on Nigeria Play Store. So now I'm going to click on the link now. So now you can see the app is not available for us to download. So I'll just click on install. So this is how to download any app that show that is not available in your country. Like this now, I've already created UK email. So anytime I just want to download anything that is not available in Nigeria, I'll just switch to that particular email. Then I'll on my VPN. So once I finish downloading this app, I'm going to off my VPN. I hope you guys understand. So let's wait for this app to finish install. So you can see that the app has installed. So before I open the app, I need to off my VPN. So if I go to my app now, you can see the app has installed. So I will need to off my VPN first. So before that, let me change my Play Store back to Nigeria Play Store. You can see that the interface has changed. Then I'll close it. Then I'll off my VPN or my proxy. So now I'll off my VPN or proxy. So I'll click on the app now to install. When you are open there, you don't need to on any VPN. Okay. So grant. This is like viewpoint. So let's go with the registration. You can register with Nigeria number or UK number, anyone. I think you still need to on VPN because when I off the VPN, it's not working. So you need to on VPN. So now we are going to put your UK number, or let me click on the draw down to see if we have Nigerian here. Let's see. Okay, we have Nigeria. I would first try my Nigerian number first. Let's see if we are going to receive code. No, we should click on sign up first. We should click on sign up, not sign in. Then you put your full name. Then you put, let's check Nigeria number first. If Nigeria is going to work, since Nigeria is among the list, then you are going to put the referral code I'm going to give to you. Then let's click on sign up. You can see Nigeria number is not going to go. You can see what they write at the top. We are not in your country just yet, but we are coming soon. So let's use UK number. Let's try this UK number first. Let's see. Okay, let's see if they will send code. So I use UK number, US number instead. Then I receive code. Let me click on sign up. So I'm going to log in now. I'm going to put my US number. So that means you need US number. I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to enter my US number. I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to sign in.